If you've lost access to your STEP account and don't have your phone number, don't worry. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the STEP website. Go to the official STEP website or open the STEP app on your device. Look for the login or account recovery option. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process and prompt you to enter your email address associated with your STEP account. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from STEP. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have reset your password, return to the STEP Apple website and log in using your email and new password. Ensure your account is secure by updating any necessary information. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to STEP's customer support for further assistance.